In this session, let us learn about HTML file paths. A file path describes the location of a file in a website's folder structure. File path examples. See the path example: image source fieldpro.jpg. The file.jpg file is located in the same folder as the current page. See same like that, image src images slash field.jpg. The field.jpg file is located in the images folder in the current folder. See image source slash images slash field.jpg. The file.jpg is file located in the images folder at the root of the current web. Image source slash field.jpg. The field.jpg file is located in the folder one level up from the current folder. HTML file paths. A file path describes the location of a file in a website's folder structure. File paths are used when linking to external files like web pages, images, style sheets, JavaScripts. Absolute file paths. An absolute file path is the full URL to a file. See here, now we are using src https www.ponnurigopikrishna.in/image/fb-logo main.jpg. Alt fb-logo main style width 300 pixels. See, by using this absolute URL, we will get result here from website. Relative file paths. A relative file path points to a file related to the current page. In the following example, the file path points to a file in the image folder located at the root of the current web. See here, image src image slash field underscore prod jpg alt field prod. See here, the while writing and executing this code, the result returns this. It's opened from the path points to the file in the image folder located at the root of the current website. In the following example, the file path points to the file in the image folder located in the current folder. See, it's getting from current folder. Now we are using images slash field.jpg alt field.prod. Just using a slash, it's the image folder located in the current folder. In the following example, the file path points to the file in the images folder located in the folder one level up from the current folder. See here, now here we should use underscore slash image field.jpg. By using slash, it's opened from the image folder located in the folder one level up from the current folder. Best practice. It is best practice to use relative file path if possible. When using relative file paths, your web page will not be bound to your current page URL. All links will work on your own computer, localhost, as well as on your current public domain and your future public domains. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 41 file paths. In next video, let us learn about another topic, head element.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.